The head valve controls the flow of air into the cylinder. When the trigger is pulled, it creates an imbalance in pressure between the cylinder and the air reservoir. This imbalance allows the head valve to open, which fires the piston. Over time, the seals on the head valve can harden and crack. The valve body itself can also crack. When this happens, you will usually have air leaking from the gun's exhaust. Replacing the head valve is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the top cap from the nail gun. With the cap removed, now I can remove the head valve. I'll tap the cap against a flat surface. I'll remove the spring from the head valve and the O-ring seal. There's a washer at the base of the head valve, and I'll also need to remove that. Now I'll install the new head valve. I'll place the O-ring back around the outside edge of the head valve. If the O-ring is damaged or cracked, you'll want to replace it at this time. I'll reinstall the washer, followed by the spring. And now this assembly goes back into the cap. Now I'll reassemble the gun. I'll place the gasket onto the top of the gun and then the head valve. I'll place the screws to align the head valve to the gasket. And now tighten them up. And that's all it takes to replace the head valve on your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up